If there is one book that guarantees literal belly laughs at my home, it is this one, Gashapati Kulapati. Gashapati Kulapati has a big cold, a big sneeze, and even bigger chaos. And villagers with the biggest of hearts. This gentle, funny story beautifully shows what it means to care as a community and also as individuals. Perfect to start chats about how to care for animals and show empathy even with a cold. Save this for your next library visit or share it with a fellow book-loving parent.